Hey baddies, what's up? I'm Aliya, and today I'm showing you my everyday clean girl makeup. So let's get started. First, moisturizer. Hydrated skin is the secret to makeup that actually looks good. Next, a little concealer, just enough to brighten everything up. Now my absolute fave, a brown lip liner and a nude lipstick. Trust me, this combo never disappoints. A little blush. We deserve that healthy, rosy glow. And of course, lip gloss. Okay, wait. She's actually serving. I'm obsessed. Let's fix the hair. And that's the final look. Slay Queen! We're ready to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peaceeee!